Hi guys, it's really dark outside and there's this guy whistling and we're doing fireworks. So look, my dad's over there going to set off the fireworks, so I'm going to let you guys watch it. We're with Caitlin, Ryan, Nicole and Maisie.
Guys.
Right, watch this guys. How cool is that? It's a wee mini fountain. That's lame. Whoa! Guys, that was awesome.
Yeah.
At the very end, that was awesome.
Can I pick one?
And then I'm picking. I get to pick a firework after.
I don't know. Is that the best thing?
They'll sit, the big ones at the front, wee ones at the back.
No, what if just one goes when my rocket just went when Caitlin's there? Yo, Caitlin's so a wee scaredy cat.
Oh no, she isn't.
She's scared.
She's scared because she doesn't like them. She's never liked them. So she can't really be a scaredy
I'm
cat.
gonna be excited every firework that's loud when I was like 2 years old.
Right, Caitlin and my dad are over there. As you can see them. Caitlin! I'm zoomed in the camp. What? A rock? It'll be like a rocket then, Caitlin. Caitlin, and don't cry because I'm already going your heat. Right, I would stand back for this, guys. Not everybody's on here. Right. Maisie, I was stand back. Right, it's zooming in. I'm standing back for it to zoom in. Wow.
Guess what? There's going to be a really big one.
I'm pick one after Maisie, then Nicole, then. Ryan, you can pick one after Nicole, right? Because
Masha.
do you know what to pick one? Right, do you want to pick one? A big one?
Do you want to pick a big one? There's a rocket, Nicole.
Who wants to watch the Glasgow Green later there?
Me. We can see the Glasgow Green.
What the f?
Wait.
Right, guys, Maisie, come on across.
Come on.
Right, my dad's just about to set one off, so we're all going to stand back. So, guys, bonfire night, yes. It's actual freezing, guys, and I'm in a crop top and sweats. It's not going to be a rocket. Is it something like a rocket? See if this guy just pulls up right in front of it at the time. Glasgow Green will be going off later at 9 o'clock, so you guys should stay tuned to watch it because it's very, very cool. Might be in a separate video, but it's fine. You're not going to see very much of my face in this video, guys. You'll see Nicole! No, the green's further down. By the way, kids, I'm saying. It's a crackle! Look how cool that is. Honestly, guys, that was so cool. No, like literally so cool. Whoa! That was somebody else's.
Wait.
Caitlin! It's not going to hit us. Caitlin, I think something's going to, one firework or something's going to hit us.
Which is really
Can I pick one? I'm going over to pick one. I'm going over to pick one, guys. Right, I need to stand back then. Is that a rocket? Something like it? Oh, for God's sake. Right, shout me over then, right? Shout me over. Okay, you guys, I'm getting shouted over because Dad's already picked one to do. So I'm.
Guys, look at that one.
They're cool.
That's
Right, it's biggest to smallest. Maisie stand beside Ryan, swap places with Nicole, then it's biggest to smallest.
I'm scared. Ryan, I'm next.
No, Caitlin's older than you.
No, but show me which one.
No, it's biggest to smallest.
Oh.
So I'm next, then Caitlin, then Ryan.
Referee butthole.
That's Paul. Hurry up to the wham. Wow.
I just like that. Oh my god.
These are so satisfying. Right,
I'm gonna pick a rocket.
it's getting set off, so I'm standing.
I'm gonna pick a rocket.
I'm zooming in, kinda. So that I was the back. Took it there. We don't know what it does. So,
Oh, okay.
right. Car just drives by. Then the firework is not going off.
See if he picks that big red tube one, then I'm gonna die.
No, I might pick that because I'm picking the next one.
Yeah. You're there, pick the one with the fire on it. I will kill you.
Wait, we'll see what this wham thing does.
If he picks it, I'll flip it.
We'll see what this one does. So, guys, we'll see what this one does.
I'm gonna
That
put
is
a
loud.
tail after this rocket.
You can go in if you want. Right, it's going, guys.
Daddy, run for your life!
Woo!
Are you scared of that? That does. Ah!
Wham! I'm coming to pick one. No, I'm coming. Dad, I'm picking one. Let's see. For God's sake. Right, I'm going over here to watch this one. I'm standing. Oh! No! Right. Can I... Is there any of that?
I'm going to do that one last.
Check it, Scarlet.
Skip here.
What would it be?
Toilet.
I picked the one with the edge tube. Caitlin, I picked the edge tube.
Ah, yes, good, David! Good, David!
Caitlin, it's a baby fountain. Caitlin! 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 Dad, Caitlin ran somewhere. I don't know. Caitlin, it's a baby fountain. I'm guessing Ryan can go pick one. Can Ryan pick one after this? Does that box?
I want to go.
No, we can't.
You want to go?
We can't go over.
I've not even picked one. You should. Oh, did you?
Caitlin picked like 20. Pick two. Baby fountain.
Lola, she's just like so scared of fireworks.
It's actually lame. Oh! The one that we done there was lame as. I'm gonna sneak up on Caitlin. Caitlin! Stay there for God's sake. You're not meant to be picking this one, but Ryan is in a minute. Kapoo! Ow!
No, I can kind of make the. I think the Glasgow. No.
Glasgow Green Test is start tonight.
It's
So
only like 7 o'clock, is it?
it's only like 8 o'clock. So it's an hour. Dad's doing the box thing.
Oh, what one is it?
It's a Starlight. It's a big ginormous box.
Oh, I love the Starlight.
What the fuck? He's whistling it. Right, watch this, guys. Guys.
Oh, I'm having
Wow! Oh! That was lit. was actually lit, guys. I'm sorry you couldn't see that. I'm sorry you couldn't see the whole thing, but it was lit. Even I was a wee bit scared.
She's had that now for ages.
Oh, fuck. That one was the best one. That was lit. So guys, that was lit. Oh. This will probably be in a separate video of the Glasgow Green. I don't know. Dad, what time's that? Dad. 6:30, so we've got a few hours to go.
Yeah, we're safe. Yeah! We've got 3 more hours left.
Oh, round the back. What we're going to the back? Right, for us in the van.
That was amazing!
That
Full
was,
moon. Look, Mr. Moon.
that was lit, guys. Can they come up and play for a bit? Dad, can they come upstairs and play for a bit?
Oh, because I'm going to get dinner.
Alright, we're getting dinner. So we'll watch. I know. I know. So yeah, guys, that was lit. That end one. Comment down below. Caitlin,
Nugget.
comment down below.
There's a scarlet bear. Oh, it's crazy.
Comment down below your favourite firework that went off from out of mine. I think my favourite was the last one. It gave me a headache. Love you guys. Bye. See you at Glasgow Green.